I know everyone right now is keeping on buying Bitcoin. Almost 90% of all traders, they anticipate that the next move for Bitcoin is going to be maybe 60,000 or 100,000. Majority of people are bullish on Bitcoin. It is not bad. It is still a possible scenario. But according to my view and price action for what I see on my side, there is also a chance for Bitcoin to hit to drop up to 10,000. It is very possible. Right now, Bitcoin is uh, reacting to a weak level, actually monthly the weak level of supply, which is in case this price fails to break above that level and react positively, then there's a high chance for Bitcoin to drop. As you can see, we have a major resistance at this point. At the same time, we have a supply level at this point here, the supply zone. So we had a price already managed to block this level of demand at this point, which shows that the bears are in control right now. And if we look close, what is happening right here is simply impasse, a bit of correction, and we know what follows after the impasse. After the impasse, we have a correction, and then what's next? Another impasse. So for for what I see on Bitcoin, there is still a possibility for price to drop. Right now, if price fails to break above around 33,000, if price fails to break 33K, then there is high chance for Bitcoin to drop up to even 10K, because 10K, this is where we have at least a good level where price can bounce and continue to go up. Remember, always majority are wrong. When everyone else is thinking of buying, that's when the big players they sell out. So for what I see, according to price action and what's happening right now, there's a high chance for Bitcoin to drop to 10K. So if you are bullish, you have to be very careful, because there is also possibility for Bitcoin to drop. Even if I switch to monthly chart, this is a monthly chart. You can see what we have right now. Our next possible level where we can expect price to come and give a reaction is around this right here. So possibly this is our level where we can expect price to come. And right now, what we have in a monthly time frame, we have the impasse and the correction reacting to this level of demand here at this point, and then drop. So right now, price is at the monthly level of demand. In the monthly level of supply, also in the monthly level, in the weekly level of supply, which is confluences. So it's a very big confluence confirming our sell scenario. So I don't recommend for anyone who has not yet placed buy position on Bitcoin, or if you are in a buy position, it's a time to start taking your partial profits and lock your profits, or maybe exit, because possibly a major fall is coming. So I think Bitcoin is gonna hit 10K. From there, we can expect it to go all the way to the upward. But right now, for what I see, Bitcoin may down to 10K. It's very possible. So that's what I see on Bitcoin. I see a bearish movements. I see Bitcoin going down to 10K. It may seem impossible, but the price action is the king. Let's see. If Bitcoin fails to drop, if Bitcoin fails to break above 33,000, then we can see Bitcoin drop down to 10K. So that's what I have on Bitcoin, and I'm actually getting ready to place my sell. I'm waiting for a little for small confirmations before I place my sell. But for what I see, Bitcoin is going to drop. 10K is the target.